of standing asanas, start with the basic standing position where your feet are together. Then in Malasana, from the feet being together, you spread them apart as wide as your shoulders. Shoulder width apart, as we call it. Feet flat on the floor, weight equal on both feet. And then when your balance is ready, when your breathing is ready, when your focus is ready, you slowly bring your arms in front of you and slowly sit down for what we would refer to as a full squat. Make sure when you are in the full squat, the feet are touching the floor fully. The heels are not raised, elbows are touching the knees, and your hands are in a pranam position. While you are holding this position, make sure that your breathing is relaxed. You do not try to hold your breath at any time. And then when you return to normal, you slowly reverse the procedure, slowly stand up and get back to normal. Hold this position as long as you can. This is Malasana.